The TikTok creativity program is making people incredibly wealthy. Young teenagers are earning thousands, if not tens of thousands of euros as a side hustle. However, it's not that easy to get into this program. To join the creativity program, you need to meet the following criteria. Be at least 18 years old. Have at least 10,000 followers. Have a minimum of 100,000 valid video views in the last 30 days. In this video, I will explain how you can join the CRP program with 0 followers. This is a legitimate, official method provided by TikTok. First, you need a regular TikTok account from one of the following eligible countries: USA, South Korea, Japan, Germany, the United Kingdom, France, or Brazil. Don't worry if you're not from one of these countries. You can easily buy a prepaid SIM card from one of these countries, for example on Amazon. Insert it into a phone, set the language and location to the respective country, and create a TikTok account. Now, let's get to the step everyone is waiting for. How can you monetize this account with 0 followers right away? The solution is TikTok's new 1min Plus Growth program. The 1min Plus Growth program encourages content creators to produce longer videos that exceed 1 minute. The goal is to increase viewer engagement and expand the variety of content on the platform. But what do you need for this? You need either a YouTube account with at least 10,000 followers or an Instagram account with at least 100,000 followers. Don't worry if you don't have one. You can buy one cheaply or ask someone who has one. Then, Google 1min Plus Growth program, click on the first link, and press the Participate in the Program button. TikTok will open, and you can connect your YouTube or Instagram account. Verification can take up to 48 hours. If you're accepted, you'll receive a notification and can start uploading videos to TikTok and earning money, all with 0 followers on TikTok. If you enjoyed the video, I would appreciate a follow and a like. Share the video with your friends to start earning together. More helpful videos will be coming soon on which niches are good, what types of videos you can make, and everything about how to make a lot of money on TikTok.